All right, here we are in the entryway of apartment 815. Hard surface laminate flooring throughout. You walk into the door here, there's actually a closet, a mechanical room, door closet there, and then into the bathroom. This is a this is a 2-bedroom with 1 bathroom. Take a look at the bathroom here. Vanity. And in the hallway leading into the bedroom. Comes with generous closet space. Nice walk-in closet. And additional closet space right here as well. Dual doors. Continue on, walk into the bedroom here. This is the master bedroom. View is looking north. North to the Richmond Highway, overlooking into the Capitol building. Come back around and focus into the kitchen area. Back into the main entry hallway. I have here the full-size washer and dryer stacked. The movable island. Stainless steel appliances. Plenty of storage space in the kitchen here. With under cabinet lighting. Electric stove. Nice deep stainless steel sink. Dishwasher. And into the living area here as well. Nice and spacious. And then this is the side bedroom. This is the second bedroom. That features the Juliet style balcony. Excellent for a second room. And also includes a nice large closet, double shelves.